Get ready to experience the ultimate adventure machine, the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 2.0. This beast of a SUV is a 2021 model registered in Madhya Pradesh and has only been driven 7,000 km. From the moment you lay eyes on the Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and muscular exterior exudes power and confidence, while the spacious and comfortable interior invites you to embark on an epic journey. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 2.0 is packed with features that are as impressive as it looks. Push button start, touchscreen infotainment system, automatic climate control are just a few of the high-tech conveniences you will find inside. The 2.0-liter engine delivers smooth and powerful performance that will leave you breathless. And with advanced safety features like traction control, electronic stability control, and a rear-view camera, you can take on any terrain with confidence and peace of mind. If you're ready to take your driving experience to the next level, come visit us at Car Street. Our expert team is ready to help you take the wheel of this incredible Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 2.0. Give us a call at 70 70 70 70 26 to schedule a test drive or learn more about this ultimate driving machine. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you at Car Street. Get ready for the ride of a lifetime with the Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 2.0.